Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use snapdrop.net to transfer files wirelessly. So guys, in order for you to do this, first thing is just simply go to snapdrop.net, and now this will be their homepage, and right away you should be able to see here upload files. So you can just simply click on here, and after that, for example, I will be using our mobile background template as an example. And now from here, it will be uploaded to the Snapdrop, and just simply wait for it to be uploaded. Now, right after that, you should be able to see something like this, and you should be able to see here, share. So click on share, and right away, you will have two options over here. So you can share with link over here, which you could just simply copy the link, and after that, you can send it to your phone, to any messaging platform, and you will have your permissions as well, which you can give them access to view and download only, or you can have an option for them to become an editor. Now you could also send them via email over here by providing them the email. So now in my case, I will just simply sharing the link. So just simply share the link to your phone over here. Now guys, once you are into your phone and you got your link, you can just simply, of course, go ahead and copy the link over here. And now you could just simply open up any web browser into your device, and you could just simply paste it on the URL over here, and just simply go to the link. And after that, you should be able to see here the download icon at the top over here, guys. And you can just simply download it. And after that, as you can see, you can just simply select open, and should be able to have the photo over here into your phone. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.